Hi, welcome to the beginning of week 6. It's November 10th, and this is a progress report, and everybody's doing well, so carry on. It's quite busy at this end part of the course as you wrap up various assignments. So I thought I would put this page up just so to kind of go over with you some ideas about various assignments. So on the 4 reflective journals, um, several of you have already begun to submit those. I just want to ask you to hold off on the 4th one until you get into week 7 or 8, because it's a bit of a summary of the course and the instructional strategies that you've learned. So leave that one, but carry on. And then remember, they're not due until the end of week 8, and there are other things that are due before that. So if you get pressed for time, push it off to the end, not to worry about those. The motivational wiki, you guys are at different stages of progress. Thanks very much for posting the wiki link page in the discussion forum. So you can get those links onto your various sites. Just keep in mind here that you can submit whenever you feel you're done. It's not due until the 7th week, the end of the 7th week, so you've got 2 weeks. But if your group feels you're done, go ahead and do the group mark that you discuss and come to together, and just submit it. So it can come in anytime, but it is due the end of the 7th week in 2 weeks. The classroom management section of the course, the postings are thoughtful and interesting. It's really good to see the discussion going on among you about that. And when you go ahead and make your own case study, remember that it needs to be something personal, something related to classroom management. It needs to be kept short, and your analysis is only 3 points. You need to come up with at least 2 different resolution strategies. 2 or 3 is a good idea to contemplate different approaches to handling the case study. And the case study should be designed so that there are different approaches, very much like the real world. You could do this, you could do that, you could do this. So you need to look at the implications of each and decide which one would really work out best. So this is very much modeling what you would do in the real world. And then finally, on the instructional strategy video, it can be animated, Go Animate, or extra normal. It can be a talking head with a visual backup like this. It could be a PowerPoint or Prezi in the background. It could be a demonstration. You can choose whatever you'd like to do. Do keep in mind that with these student samples down here, they're level 3 and 4. They're not always 10s, uh, or 10 out of 10 or 4 out of 4, depending on what scale you're using. But some of them have very busy slides, and I'd just like to caution you against having text-heavy slides. I have a text-heavy slide right here, but it's one slide and it's left up for the entire video, and I'm specifically referring to different parts. So you could do it that way, but if you have slides rotating through as you speak, don't expect the viewer to both read a complex slide and listen to you. The guideline is 6 words across, 6 lines down, maximum 36 words on a text page. And a lot of slides are better off with fewer. And also remember to reference your images. We need to model for our students that we understand copyright and we don't just use whatever we find. And then post your instructional strategy video right down here. And when you have your web conference, make sure you look at your wiki groups videos and discuss them, and then create your report. I hope you'll look at all the videos. We've got great strategies chosen in this group, and it proves to be, it's going to be very interesting to see all the videos that people have created. That's where the ideas about how to use these instructional strategies move from theoretical and sometimes like, oh, I doubt if I'd ever use that, to quite possible. So make sure you do look at everybody's videos. That's a big part of the learning in the course. So I hope you have a great week. I look forward to chatting with any of you whenever you feel like it. There's still a couple of you I've not Skyped with, so watch for me online or set up an appointment with me. I do look forward to chatting with you. Bye now.